have a lot of fun playing everywhere. So let's get to know them, and we'll start with the bear. He's called Gumper. He likes to snooze in the sun, and here's little butts. He's always doing it wrong. This is Woeful the monkey. He looks quite sad, but he's never ever grumpy. And Stripey the zebra, whose wool is very lumpy. And who's this lying on the ground? Her name's Gitto. She's always falling down. Stripey's her friend, but so is everyone else. They're Timothy's special friends on the animal shelf.
One afternoon, Timothy's special animals were very excited when he took a photograph of them with his new camera. He promised they'd see the picture right away.
This camera is really clever. Look!
Brilliant! Look, it's a photo of all of us. Woohoo! I really am good looking.
Why don't you all go out to play? Mum wants to do some work on my run this afternoon.
All right. Can we take the camera, Timothy?
Well...
Oh, please. We'll be very careful.
All right. So long as you promise.
We promise.
Right, Gumper. You're in charge.
Trust me, Timothy.
I will. See you later.
Bye, Timothy.
Right. I'm going to take a picture of you all together. Now get in a straight line. Smile.
Oh, Gumper, you've cut off our feet.
Well, who wants to look at a bunch of feet?
Let me have a go, Gumper. I'll take a picture of you.
All right. We'll take it in turns.
Oh, Stripey and I can't take it in turns. We won't be able to press the button with our hooves.
Come on, get up. We'll go for a walk instead.
Okay, Woeful. Take a picture of just the two of us.
Say cheese.
Cheese. It's a jolly good picture of me.
What's that strange dark thing behind us?
Oh, it's, Get Up and Stripey going for their walk.
No, Gumper. They went the other way. Ah!
Oh, dear. I wish we could use a camera, Stripey. I wish we could do useful things with our hooves.
Hello, Mrs. Mole. Oh, no. You've lost your baby moles. Oh, no, I'm sure they haven't run away from home.
They probably went to look for berries and forgot to tell you.
We'll find the baby moles. Where did you last see them? Then we'll start looking in the wood. Come on, get up. You see, helping Mrs. Mole is something useful we can do with our hooves. Be very quiet, little mutt. This is where we saw the strange dark thing in the picture.
Look! A strange dark thing!
Right. Gotcha, strange dark thing.
I'm not a strange dark thing. I'm me.
Gumper! What are you doing here?
Looking for the strange dark thing, of course. Oh, I hope you haven't damaged Timothy's camera.
Take a picture of little Mutt and me just to make sure.
Okay, but keep still. It works.
Oh, Gumper, I'm hardly in it.
But look! The strange dark thing again!
I've got a plan. Let's go to the wood and see if it follows us. We'll stay very still, and when the strange dark thing comes near, we'll take a picture.
There isn't a strange dark thing, Gumper. Can we go home?
Something's coming. Behind that bush.
As soon as I can see it... Aha!
Stripey, get up. What a waste of a picture.
No, it's not, Woeful. Look, the strange dark thing again.
Wow. You two can help us look for it. I'm sorry, Woeful. We're far too busy looking for the baby moles.
Little Mutt?
What's the matter?
I fell down a big hole.
No, that's only a little hole.
Well, I don't like holes. And I don't like strange dark things. And I don't like looking for them. I'm going home. I don't like holes. Ah! Who are you?
moles anywhere.
Come quick! There's another animal shelf in Timothy's bedroom.
Another animal shelf?
What do you mean, little nut?
There's another blue shelf on the wall. And there's a little mat on it.
Come on, let's see what this is all about. Now then, where's this other blue shelf?
Look!
Oh, there's another waffle.
And a Gumper.
And a Stripey.
And a get-up.
Oh, look, they're copying everything we do.
And they've got a camera just like Timothy's.
Right. I'll take a picture of them to show Timothy those other animals are nothing but a bunch of copycats.
They've taken a picture of us as well.
How rude!
That's funny. There's no strange dark thing in this picture.
That must mean it lives outdoors.
But what shall we do about those other animals?
We'll frighten them away before Timothy gets home.
They're trying to frighten us.
Well, they can't.
Timothy's home.
I don't know what you're so pleased about, Other Gumper. It's us he's come to see. Don't you dare shout at our Gumper, Other Waffle, and stop copying me!
Woeful, what's all the noise?
Ask that lot over there on the other blue shelf.
Oh no, you funny animals.
Help! There's another Timothy!
That's not another Timothy, little mutt. And there aren't any other animals. You're looking into my new mirror. Mum put it up this morning.
What?
What do you mean?
You mean that's not another Woeful? It's just me in a mirror.
Well, of course it is. We knew that all the time.
Did we?
Yes, of course we did. We were just, playing a trick.
I was frightened.
Oh, little mutt. I tell you what, I'll ask Mum to take the mirror down.
Thank you, Timothy.
Anyway, we've got a real mystery to solve. There's something very strange in our pictures.
Something strange and dark.
Follow me, Gumper and Woeful. Let's have a good look in daylight. We'll use my magnifying glass. I have solved your mystery, Gumper. Look at your strange dark things through that glass, and you'll soon know what they are.
The baby moles!
Let me see. Stripey and Get Up were looking for them.
I expect the moles were trying to see what the flashing light was. And every time Stripey and Get Up tried to find them, the moles burrowed their way under the ground.
So the baby moles must have made the hole little Mutt fell into.
But where are they now?
Oh, Mrs. Mole must be so worried.
Well, I've got an idea.
Timothy's going to take a picture of you, Mrs. Mole.
And the rest of us will lie in wait.
So when the baby moles pop up to watch the flashing light,
We'll be there to catch them.
and send them home.
Are you ready, Mrs. Mole? Smile for the camera. Look, there they are.
Quick, don't let them get away.
Well, they're not even moving.
They're fast asleep.
That's not surprising. They've been chasing you lot all afternoon.
Oh, that's all right, Mrs. Mole.
We were happy to help.
Timothy, let's take a picture of all the moles together.
Oh, good idea.
Stand behind the baby moles, Mrs. Mole. Smile.
Mrs. Mole was delighted with the photo of the baby moles, and the animals were so thrilled with all their pictures that when his mother moved the mirror, Timothy put them up in its place. Now they could all see that they really were Timothy's special animals.
Five soft toys on a little blue shelf. They all belong to Tim. He chose them himself. They have a lot of fun playing everywhere. They're Timothy's special friends. They're Timothy's special friends.